Everyone. Today we are going to discuss the same topic which we have discussed earlier, the CFSE energy, crystal field splitting energy, that is delta O. So the order is asked in the examination. What is the order of CFSE energy? In case of complementary colors, they may ask that they would give you the colors of the compound, and they ask that which one has the highest CFSE among these. So how would you define it? First of all, we know the color wheel. Color wheel is V, B, G, Y, O and R. The alternate of it. The alternate of the blue is orange, violet is yellow, green is red, blue is orange and violet is with red. Alright, how would you draw it? Like this and this one. Okay, then another concept is that you should remember all these values, but it is not possible to remember all these values with the color, with their colors, but you have an idea of it, that if 400 nanometer is the wavelength, then color absorbed should be UV and the complementary color would be colorless. Means you would observe the colorless color when you are having colorless. It means you have to understand that the absorption has been taken place in ultraviolet region. If you are having yellow color, it means the color absorbed has been violet. If the violet color is there, the color absorbed will be yellow. It means whenever you are observing some color, it means the absorption of color has been different one. Your eyes is absorbing the complementary color of the absorbed color. Alright. Then in earlier video we have discussed that the delta O value depends upon the charge on the metal ion. More the charge on the metal ion, more the oxidation state of the metal ion, it means it is having more crystal field splitting energy. Crystal field splitting energy, we have known that dxy, dxz, dyz and dx square minus y square and dz square, they are splitting. They are splitted due to the ligand present in the complex. Then this splitting is known as crystal field splitting energy. This is delta O, right? It means energy inversely proportional to wavelength. We know that energy is inversely proportional to wavelength. Now we have a spectrochemical series in which we know that the NO, CO, CN, all these ligands are strong field ligands. Strong field ligand means they have high crystal field splitting energy. It means the energy is highest but the wavelength is lowest. Alright, such as I negative, Br negative, S2 negative, SCN negative, Cl negative, all these are up to water, we can say they are weak field ligands, and above water we can say that the strong field ligands are present, right? It means that spectrochemical series, they are having weak field ligands. Weak field ligands means they have low crystal field splitting energy. It means therefore the electron is not paired in case of weak field ligands. The electron are going to the upper energy level. Whereas in case of strong field ligands, the pairing would take place because energy difference is very much high. For example, VH2 का whole 6 3 positive and VH2O का whole 6 2 positive. Which one has the lowest crystal field splitting energy? Which one has lowest crystal field splitting energy? This one, because charge matters, right? Charge matters. That's why these have small crystal field splitting energy and this have large crystal field splitting energy. But if we talk about the wavelength is inversely proportional to energy. Therefore this one has low wavelength and this one has high wavelength. It means at low wavelength the absorption would take place and the excitation of electron will be there. Now the color question which I am talking about, A metal form two complexes having green color and red color. The complexes can be, so they have given you En, NH3, pyridine, H2O, NO. You have to arrange in this order, right? So how would you arrange it? You would arrange on the basis of strong field ligand and weak field ligand. Now you are observing the complementary color. First of all, you have to know which color had been adsorbed. Green color means the red absorption of red has been taken place, right? And red color means adsorption of green color has been absorbed. All right, and we know that the wavelength of red is high, right? And we know that the wavelength of red is high, but the absorption of red is there, but the green absorption is there, right? The wavelength, but the actual absorption would be green. So green has low wavelength. Low wavelength means delta O is will be greater. It means a strong field ligand should be present in case of red color complexes, and in case of green color complexes, the less crystal field splitting energy means I negative, Cl negative, HCl negative. These can be the compound which are having weak field ligands. All right. For June 2014, the question has been asked, that is red in color and green in color, which ligand can be possible. All right. So the ligand, again we go with the same approach. The red color means red is just like green. Green has been absorbed, right? And green means the red has been absorbed. It means which one have the more wavelength? The green color absorption, where we are seeing that is having less lambda value, less wavelength, and the crystal field splitting will be more. It means strong field ligand will be cobalt L6 3+, and the cobalt L6 3+, which is green in color, showing that would have weak field ligand. So the crystal field splitting energy order can be written as which one has high strong field ligand, which one have higher energy. It means it would be a strong field ligand, and which one have less crystal field splitting energy, it would be water, like in such cases. For color and adsorption and the lambda value and the delta O value, you should remember this color wheel, where you know that the complementary color and the color absorption, you should know about it. And you should know that the red one has the highest wavelength. It means the energy would be inversely proportional to wavelength, and you just have to compare, and you should know about the spectrochemical series as well, because if you know about which one is strong field ligand and which one is weak field ligand, thereby also you can reach to the answer quickly. Thank you.